gaming show at the ICC Darling Harbour. We're here today showcasing some of our vending machines here on the stand. This is one of our unique vending machines, unique to the market in terms of the screen here that we've retrofitted, which allows you to play advertisement. One of the great features of this, not only does it allow you to play advertising, allows you to do live TV, allows you to do weather updates, information screen, etc. Another great feature is that once I move up to the machine, please allow you to see what's actually inside the machine. If I move away from the machine, the ad will then continue to play as normal. Thank you guys, hope to see you down here at the ICC Darling Harbour. See you soon, hopefully come down. Plays today, tomorrow and Thursday's the last day. Finishes at 3 o'clock, so please come down and see us. Stand 651. Thank you.